Hello, and welcome to another Arista video tutorial. Today we are demonstrating how to install and replace fan modules. Let's begin by looking at the back of the switch where we have 4 fan modules in the left hand corner. To remove a fan module from a switch, you simply squeeze the black piece towards the red handle and gently pull it out. To place the fan module back in, you simply line it up and push it in gently until you hear it click. The green light indicates they are all working and functioning properly. Just to get a closer look here again, push the fan module inwards, and as you can see, the green light indicates that the fan module is working and functioning properly. So that means it is in correctly. Now, let's talk about the differences between these two fan modules. If you look here, we have 2 fan modules, one blue, one red. As you can see, they look similar except for the difference in color, which helps to determine the direction of airflow in the fan modules. The red fan module has front to rear airflow direction, and the blue fan module has rear to front airflow direction. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach us at support@arista.com. Thank you for watching.